What's up, Budget Babes? It's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday and you know what that means. So if you'd like to see what I got for this week's Dollar Tree haul, keep on watching. Let's get started with nail products. So this week, Dollar Tree got in Kiss Nail Glue. I personally love Kiss Nail Glue for my press-on nails, so I was really excited and got 2 of them. So as you can see, they're 0.10 fluid ounces, and this is the full-size bottle. Next for nails, Sassy+Chic just got in some fabulous summer printed nails. So I got myself this watermelon print. I absolutely love watermelon, and I just think that this print is so cute. They have little watermelons, the nice like pink color, the seeds, the little accent nail with the green. They also had a pineapple design and some green leaves that were really pretty, but I personally just liked the watermelon ones, so these are the ones that I got. These next 2 items are personal hygiene. I found the Secret Freshies on the go, and I picked myself up 2 of them because, I mean, normally these retail for more than $1, so I figured, why not? I like that this little shape would be really convenient. It's kind of similar to like the EOS like chapstick design, so it's very discreet, and you know, you can take it to work, you can keep it in your car, you can keep it in your purse, and you'll never be funky. Okay, so I know I always talk about this, and I know that I'm always buying this, but I just cannot resist. So obviously I found more Ioni lashes and I had to get them. I actually had never seen this display before, so I had to kind of go crazy. So actually, I'm going to show you what I saw in the next clip. So you see what I'm talking about? I needed them. I personally can never have too many lashes because I go through lashes really quickly on myself and on my clients. I really can't go wrong with Ioni. They're just so high quality. You can find Ioni lashes. There's literally no need to ever pay more than $1 for lashes. At least I don't anymore. I got one in every style. So this collection is super cute. It's inspired by desserts. So I don't know if you can tell, but they're each named after a dessert and they're packaged like a dessert. This is a really, really cute concept, and I just couldn't resist with the cute packaging. So this is the first pair I'm gonna show you. This one is chocolate mousse, and the style is wispy long crisscross. And this is the next style. And the dessert is Grape Escape. And this style is Wispy Cat Eye. The next one is Vanilla Bean. And this is in the style Natural Cat Eye Light. The next one is Lemon Sorbet. And these are in the style Wispy Natural. This one was my favorite. This is the Carrot Cake. And these are the Wispy Doll Full. How beautiful. The next one is Very Berry Strawberry. Look at how cute this packaging is. And the style is Wispy Natural Flare. The next one is Key Lime Pie. And these are the style Wispy Flare Spiky. Next we have Watermelon Sugar. And these are the Wispy Spiky. Ooh, yum. This is Neapolitan. I love Neapolitan ice cream. This style is Wispy Crisscross. How pretty. These are really like curly. I don't know if you can see. The next ones are Minty Fresh. And this style is Natural Doll. And the last one is a Berry Good Cake. Oh, this is my other favorite. These are the Wispy Dramatic Flare. How beautiful. Look at that curl. Beautiful, beautiful lashes. Next, I'm gonna show you Hard Candy eyeliner that I found. This is the Hard Candy Marilyn Monroe collection. Oh, how beautiful is this? In the color Black to Glamour. Let's give it a swatch. This is what it looks like. It has the picture of Marilyn Monroe and some roses. And then right here, it has her signature. And when you open it up, it's a felt tip. So I'll swatch it right here for you guys. Look at that. It is super nice. I really love felt tip liners. They really give that nice sharp winged eyeliner look. So in my last Dollar Tree haul, you guys saw that I got so many great makeup products, and in particular I told you guys that I found a lot of Maybelline lipsticks and lip glosses. This is actually the Coffee Addiction lipstick that I got last time, and it's gorgeous. I love the formula, I love the color, and it stays on so nicely. The lipsticks are awesome. So I found Maybelline lip pencils this time. I got them in every single color, and I was super excited because Maybelline lip products so far have not disappointed. So let me give them a swatch for you guys. The first one is in the color Nude. This next color is Rose. The next color is Raisin. The last one is Toast. So they're definitely all pretty similar and kind of on the same color spectrum, but you can definitely see the differences in the undertones. But they're definitely great quality, fabulous for $1. So I have another lip liner that I found, and this one is by Wet n Wild. This one is in the color Gone Burgundy, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, so this one definitely has a much creamier texture to it. Not like a pencil, but like a crayon, which I really like. And it's definitely darker and more burgundy. So that is all for this week's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe Tuesday. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. Sometimes I upload a regular video and sometimes I upload a YouTube short. Either way, I'm uploading twice a week. I thank you guys so much for joining me on this week's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye, guys.